everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name's Debbie. This is my crafty den and I have been to Dollarama. So I'm going to do a haul and I love what I got. So I'm going to start off with kitchen items. And right off, I picked up another one of these. So this is the Scrub Daddy. And the Scrub Daddy is absolutely awesome. So you saw me haul a Scrub Daddy and a Scrub Mummy. I think just at the end of the summer, early fall. I had never used one before, either one. And I said I would let you guys know how it worked. So the Scrub Mummy has this hard, it's like the Scrub Daddy on one side and a regular sponge on the other side. And it was a good sponge, but it wasn't my favorite. But the Scrub Daddy, OMG. This thing, I'm still using the original one in my kitchen. This thing is absolutely awesome. So this is hard, but as soon as you add water to it, it still retains that really great scrubbing quality, but it becomes soft. So it fits into all those little nooks and crannies around behind your sink. And I use it for a complete cleanup of my kitchen counters, my stove, around my sink, and I use it for my dishes as well. And when I'm done, I can just rinse it really well under the hot water and set it at the side of the sink, and it completely dries and goes like brand new. So you can use this over and over again, and it's just like using a new one every single time. So I was really worried that something would happen to my other one, so I got a backup. Yes, $4. Okay, so with that being said, you can't do everything with a sponge, and sometimes you need a cloth. And I had these before quite some time ago and really liked them. Haven't bought any for a long time. And these are these Scrubber Cleans bamboo cleaning towels, and they're $4. And these things are awesome as well. So I use my Scrub Daddy, and sometimes you just need a cloth to wipe everything down with when you're done. And that's what I use these for. So once everything's cleaned up, I use a damp one of these to wipe everything down, make it nice and clean and shiny, and then I'm done. Not everybody likes having a mat in the bottom of their sink, but I have arthritis in my hands. And because of that, I have a tendency to drop a mug or drop a glass when I'm washing it. And if it hits the bottom of your sink, sometimes they break. And I love my mugs. I have some Ray Dunn mugs, guys. I don't want to be chipping and breaking my Ray Dunn mugs. So in the bottom of my sink, I have there. So this was $2.50. It just fits into the bottom of your sink. It actually has the hole here so that you can put your stopper in and out. But this does protect some of your good dishes. So this is a repurchase for me. These are the Kleenex, I should get it right side up, I guess. Kleenex hand towels. So there are 60 of these in here. They're both the size of a generous face cloth, and they're absolutely great for taking off makeup, for just if you're going to wash your face and then pat it dry for drying your hands, that type of thing. And you get a fresh, clean cloth or towel, whatever you're using it for each time. I really like this. Okay, so for some personal items, I grabbed a headband. This is True North, and it's just one of those types of headbands right there When I'm delivering papers with my son, he has a huge delivery route, rural route. So we're doing out in the country. The wind is blowing. It's getting colder outside. And I'll be helping him for at least to the end of November and maybe a little bit after that. I'm not sure yet. And I started to get a lot of wind. So I thought that this would solve that. Yeah, and it's gray and it matches my winter coat. So I picked up this for $3. It has that little twisty at the front, which I love. The first thing I got for personal for myself was they had the Lori nails in. Again, this is the Lori brand. And they had them in this pink tip with a white lace overlay. They had them with this black and white florally pattern. And they had them with this black and white floral pattern too, but it's completely different. So pretty. So pretty. $1.25 a pack. Comes with glue. Can't go wrong. And these are just for fun, guys. I mean, I use these nails all the time. They last a few days when you put them on. If you don't do anything really hard, that's really hard on your hands, the glue will last up to a week. So these are awesome. And I picked up something for my paper crafting. These are the individual top loading card holders. They're $1 for 4 of them. And I picked these up and they're just the singles like this. So they're top loading and you can put an ATC card in here to send and gift to somebody. It's just a cute little package to put your friend mail in. I haven't seen these before. They're from a company called Home Deco. It was $2.75. It just looks like that. This is big, guys. This is a couple, maybe 2.5 inches. But this is really, really heavy duty. I stuck it on the side of my fridge through the cardboard packaging and it was hard to get off. So it says for use on metal doors. No, nice. They had them in different colors as well, but I thought this nice big black circle dot on my door would be a lot nicer than some of the other ways that I've tried to hang a wreath. Everybody gets those long hangers, you know, that hang over the top of the door. My front door gets a little bit hard to close when I have one of those on there. So I'm hoping that this makes a difference. Another thing that I got for the house, I have one curtain that I like to do a tie back on. The one that I've got there just doesn't work, guys. So another thing that I got for the house was this. It's a magnetic curtain tie back. I'm just going to open this because I'm going to use this. So it's out of the packaging and this is what it looks like. The two ends are magnetic and stick together and then you have your tie back. So where I want to use this, I think this is going to be perfect. It was $2.50 and again, that's what the packaging looked like. And one more thing before I get into the Christmas stuff. I grabbed a $4 charge and sync cable from Tech One, and that's what I got. My granddaughter got a new phone and she's already lost the charger. She forgets it at a friend's house, has to go a couple of days without it. Then she forgets it at school, has to go a couple of days without it till she finds it again. And I think she needs an extra one to leave at home. So I grabbed her that. And it was only $4 and it's a 10-foot cord. So that was everything for the house and for me. Now let's get into some Christmas stuff. The first time that I was in Dollarama was about a week, just over a week ago. I haven't done a haul for a couple of weeks. So it was well over a week ago, I think. And they were just getting the Halloween stuff out and the Christmas stuff in. So they had kind of a mishmash of both in there. So I just left it. I waited until I was going back because I wanted to see all the Christmas stuff when it was out and to see what they had. So this ribbon here was $2.50 a roll. I think that was a little bit pricey. I wish sometimes that I had a Dollar Tree close to me because I know you can get ribbons at Dollar Tree for $1.25. But this was twice that, and I got it anyway. I got 4 of them. It's this white with the silver foiling, poinsettias, gorgeous, and yeah, absolutely gorgeous. And I have a project to do where I was going to need a lot of one color ribbon, and I wanted it to be white, and I was thinking white velvet, but then when I saw this is perfect. This is going to be absolutely gorgeous on the project. I picked up a couple of these little gift boxes, and these aren't very big. You know, you can see from my hand, these are not very big. They've got the little ribbon on the top, but they're absolutely perfect for the project that I want to do with them. Now, these were $1.75 a piece. I picked up a little package of ornaments. These were $3.50. I just wanted this color combination, the red, green, and gold. So traditional. That's what I wanted. So that's what I got. And it's the little tinies and the next size up. And some of them are satin, some of them are shiny, and some of them are glittery. I found a paper pad. And the paper pads were always $4. This one now was $4.25. I'm not going to complain, but look. This is really, really pretty. So let's see. Oh, isn't that one pretty? And the snowflakes. So there's 20 sheets in here. There's 2 of each pattern, and there's 10 different patterns. I found this buffalo plaid tree skirt, and it was $3.25. It's only 24 inches in diameter. Then I went and I looked at the florals because they had some Christmas florals. And I was looking for something different, and boy, did I find something different. Look at the size of these berries. So I think that these are going to be perfect. This one was $2.75. I wanted 2, but they only had 1. These are so unusual compared to what they usually have. I just love this berry stem. These were $1.75 a piece. I got 2 of these. Now, let's see. And these are absolutely gorgeous. I mean, who doesn't love glitter at Christmas? I don't even care if my whole house has glitter. They're more of a really pale sage green, and they're absolutely beautiful. So I got 2 of these, $1.75 each. And the next stem that I got was $2.75, and it was this one. This thing is so heavy that it just bends right over. It's got the glitter. It's got that deep, it's almost like a gunmetal gray glitter. It's so beautiful. And then it's got these little, I don't know if my camera will focus in enough for you to see, maybe better on the back side, but those little black flecks all through it as well. And it is all of these great big pieces. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of these, and that makes this a very large piece. And yes, so absolutely beautiful. Doesn't matter whether you put it right side up or upside down. This is gorgeous, guys. So that was the stems. And this, yeah, did I say this one was $2.75? I think I did. When the Halloween stuff was out, I found these and I grabbed one of each. And I grabbed 2 more, one of each again. So these wreath rings, and they're MDF. These are the medium density fiberboard. It's about 1/4 of an inch thick, very, very sturdy. I grabbed one again for $1.50. I grabbed a 12-inch. For $2, I grabbed a 14.6 inches. And then in the store that I was in, they had these. So they must have been sold out of these in the store where I got the first 2. And I got this one. And it was $2.50. And it's 18 inches. So I've got the set of 3. So this is what I'm most excited about. So I hope I have time next week to get something done, because I'd like to show you what I'm doing with the wreath forms, with some of the floral stems, the ornaments, the silver ribbon, everything that I got. I have a purpose in mind for everything that I got. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the haul. And if you did, give me a thumbs up. Let YouTube know that you're watching. Also, if you would like to leave a comment down below, I appreciate each and every one of them so, so much. I love the interaction that I have with my viewers. And if you haven't subscribed yet, do that now so that you can come back and see some more hauls, maybe some Christmas crafts. And I will see everybody in the next video. Until then, bye-bye for now, everyone.